Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how to get a public profile on Snapchat. As you can see, a public profile will display a subscribe button instead of an add friend button for your profile. Before getting started with the video, you need to see if you're eligible for a public profile. To get a Snapchat public profile, you must be at least 18 years old and your Snapchat account must be at least 24 hours old. So let's get started with the steps. The first step is to open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Snapchat, and see if you have the latest update downloaded. If you have the latest update downloaded, you will see an open option instead of an update option. So tap on the open option. Once Snapchat is opened, tap on your Bitmoji icon from the top left corner, and then on the next screen, tap on the gear icon from the top right corner. Now scroll down to the Who Can section and make sure you have See Me and Quick Add turned on. You can also optionally change your story and contact settings from My Friends to Everyone. However, this is not required to get a public profile. Now tap on the back icon. Now there are two ways to make a public profile on Snapchat. First, you can tap on the Create Public Profile option if you can see it on your screen. If you're unable to see the Create Public Profile option, you can tap on the three dots beside Add to Snap Map or Add to Spotlight, and then tap on Create Public Profile from the pop-up menu. If you can't see the public profile option at all, then the feature is most likely not available in your country. Next, tap on Continue to agree to show your name on Snap Stories and then tap on Get Started to continue. You will see a pop-up stating that your name will be shown on stories posted to Spotlight and Snap Map, and any lenses you create will also appear on your public profile. Tap on Create from the pop-up. And as you can see, your public profile has been successfully created. Tap on the profile and edit it, since it will be completely blank at the beginning. So tap on Edit Profile, and now you can add a profile picture, add a bio, or share your location if you want to. And you can also choose if you want to hide or show your subscriber count. Now if you head back and tap on Preview Profile, you will see what your profile looks like to others. If you want to delete your public profile, then all you have to do is tap on My Public Profile, tap on the gear icon, and then tap on Delete Public Profile. And that's it for this video. If this video helped you out, please hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more videos like this. Also like and share this video.